Hey guys, here we are back at the shop, and we haven't been here for a while, but we'll be posting more of these, don't worry about it. So we've been really busy with online classes and other things, so custom upholstery is one of them. So an interesting project came into the shop. This is like one of 10,000 pieces. It's a manufactured piece. I probably would see this, you would see this in a hotel, a large hotel as a side chair and tucked away in a hotel room corner, or a couple of them, you know, to make up seating arrangements. So a lot of times on this type of furniture, you're not getting many frills. You know, you're not going to get any piping or anything. And the way it's done is this is all one piece. I've taken it apart. So this would be all sewn as one piece just to streamline the upholstery process. But what I'm going to do is show you a way of, it's for a customer. He only has one. I didn't ask him where he got it. Not my business. But I'm going to make it a little bit nicer, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. So guys, they have this extra little seam here, and again, that's to make it easy to slip cover the whole thing. Basically, what you had here is a slip covered upholstery job. I'm going to make it custom upholstery. So what I did was I cut these, I cut the back, and I extended my line here, my angle, which has to be sewn all the way to the back. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on the arm, right? And the same thing on the arm. The seat is an upholstered seat. I kind of like that, so I'm going to keep that like that. So what I did is I already cut them. I'll show you what I did. So the seat is going to be put on first. Okay. And I'm going to sew. Here's the right arm. So again, what I'm doing is I'm streamlining. I'm going to make it look nicer so that there's no horizontal lines in upholstery. I don't like, and I think most of you would agree that it would look better, more streamlined, a little hard to upholster, but having it come right over like so. And I'm going to just dress this up for you, see what I'm doing here in the process. What we're doing here in this video is just a style, showing you what a style change is. We're not going to actually be upholstering this. We just cut the fabric the way I said. We're going to sew these seams down. Okay, and now the important part is back here. I already got it cut away. So this back was sewn, the outside back was sewn, they had seams here. So what I did was I cut all that off, and I'm going to staple this, the inside, right to this rail here. And then I'm going to put a piping all along here to make it look more like a custom piece. And then I'm going to upholster this without any seams. So what you see here, what you can do is you can get creative, especially if you've got a customer, you know, you ask your customer, can I do some style changes for you, which I think would make it look nicer. And that's what we did here. And I think that's wonderful. So that's it on this YouTube. We'll see you again.